Welcome back to the channel, and today we're diving into one of the most legendary and unstoppable machines on the planet, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Unimog U500. This is not your average truck, not your average off-roader, and definitely not a vehicle for the faint-hearted. The Unimog has always been a symbol of extreme durability, versatility, and military-grade toughness, but the 2026 U500 pushes that reputation even further with modern upgrades, advanced technology, and a driving experience that feels like a mix between a tank and a luxury SUV. At first glance, the Unimog U500 looks like a machine built to conquer the most unforgiving environments on Earth. The stance is tall, aggressive, and unapologetically rugged. The front end has been modernized with sharper LED lighting, a bolder Mercedes star in the grille, and a more aerodynamic yet still brutal body profile. Everything about this truck screams capability. It's not trying to look stylish in the traditional sense, it's built with purpose, and that purpose is getting you anywhere, whether it's across deserts, through deep snow, across rivers, or up steep mountain trails. The 2026 U500 is powered by an advanced inline 6-turbo diesel engine paired with a high-torque hybrid assist system. This combination delivers enormous pulling power, with torque figures that dwarf most heavy-duty trucks. It's designed to carry massive loads while still providing enough grunt to crawl over rocks or wade through deep mud. The transmission has been re-engineered with multiple off-road modes, low-range gearing, and a flexible power delivery system that adapts depending on the terrain. Mercedes has also refined its portal axles, giving the Unimog unparalleled ground clearance. This means you can literally drive over obstacles that would stop even the most capable 4x4 vehicles in their tracks. Inside the cabin, the U500 has finally stepped into the luxury space while still keeping its rugged DNA intact. The seating position is high, giving you a commanding view of everything around you. The interior now comes with premium materials, improved insulation, and a digital cockpit similar to what you'd find in Mercedes' top-end SUVs. Large infotainment screens, wireless connectivity, and advanced navigation with terrain mapping are all standard. However, Mercedes has also kept the cabin practical. Rubberized floor mats, water-resistant materials, and modular storage solutions mean you can still hose down the interior if needed. It's a blend of comfort and function, and it feels right at home whether you're driving through a city or across the Arctic. The ride quality is another area where Mercedes has worked wonders. The Unimog U500 now comes with adaptive suspension that can adjust damping and ride height on the fly. On paved roads, the truck feels surprisingly smooth for something so large and capable. But off-road is where it truly shines. The suspension can raise the body dramatically for extreme approach and departure angles, while advanced traction systems keep each wheel planted no matter how uneven the ground gets. The steering has also been refined, making it more precise while still rugged enough to handle heavy impacts. Mercedes has equipped the 2026 Unimog U500 with cutting-edge safety and driver assist technology as well. Adaptive cruise control, lane assist, collision avoidance, and even drone-assisted navigation are available. Imagine being able to send out a drone to scout the terrain ahead before you even drive into it. That's the level of engineering we're dealing with here. This is not just a truck, it's a survival machine with luxury DNA. The versatility of the U500 is unmatched. This is a truck that can be configured for everything from expedition travel to firefighting, military use, agricultural work, and even as a luxury overland camper. Mercedes offers multiple chassis setups, bed configurations, and accessory packages. Whether you need a flatbed, a box truck, or a fully customized expedition rig, the U500 provides the foundation. That's why the Unimog has such a legendary reputation worldwide. It adapts to whatever role you throw at it. Driving the Unimog feels like commanding a piece of heavy equipment, but one that's been refined to near perfection. The massive tires grip with authority, the torque pulls you effortlessly through obstacles, and the high driving position gives you the confidence to tackle any challenge. Yet, despite its size and weight, the truck doesn't feel clumsy. The latest steering and suspension refinements make it surprisingly maneuverable, even in tighter spaces. Fuel efficiency has also seen improvements, thanks to the hybrid assist system and optimized diesel engine. For a vehicle of this size and purpose, the numbers are impressive, and it extends the Unimog's range in remote areas where fuel stops are scarce. Pair that with massive onboard fuel tanks, and you have a machine ready for transcontinental journeys. In the end, the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Unimog U500 is more than just a vehicle. It's an engineering marvel that represents the pinnacle of off-road capability combined with modern luxury. It's for explorers, adventurers, emergency responders, and anyone who needs to rely on a machine that will never let them down. Mercedes has taken the soul of the classic Unimog and injected it with 21st century technology, making this the most advanced version yet. For those who want the ultimate go-anywhere, do-anything vehicle, the Unimog U500 isn't just an option, it's the answer. It's not cheap, and it's definitely not for everyone, but for those who demand the best in durability, versatility, and unstoppable capability, this truck stands in a league of its own. So, what do you think about the 2026 Mercedes-Benz Unimog U500? Is this the ultimate off-road machine, or is it overkill for the average driver? Let me know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed this deep dive into one of the most legendary trucks in the world, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more reviews. This is a machine that proves once again that Mercedes knows how to build not just luxury cars, but also some of the most capable vehicles on Earth.